Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by choosing the right tube. Pick inner diameter about 0.5 to 1, 5 mm larger than the part so it fits easily. Once chosen, cut to length and deburr the edges to prevent splitting. Make sure to leave a 2 to 3 mm overlap on each end. Clean surfaces with isopropyl alcohol so adhesive or heat bonds properly. Finally, position the tube over the joint and hold the assembly steady with a clamp or fixture. This prevents movement when heat is applied. You now apply heat. Use a heat gun set between 300 and 400 degrees C and keep it about 2 to 3 centimeters away, or carefully use a lighter for tiny pieces. Move the heat source in slow, circular motions and rotate the part so the tube contracts evenly. This prevents blistering and weak spots. Once the tube glosses, then turns matte and conforms around the contours. Stop heating. Make sure adhesive inner layers flow if present. Then remove heat and let it cool naturally so the bond sets. You finish by trimming any excess and inspecting the seal. Verify electrical continuity or pressure tightness as required. If you see bubbles, gaps, or uneven shrink, reheat gently while pressing the tube into place to force adhesion. Do this briefly to avoid charring. If an area is burnt or compromised, cut it back and replace the tube, or use liquid electrical tape for small repairs. Remember, proper cooling and inspection are the last steps that ensure long-term reliability.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.